Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. I'm here today to talk about something I'm really excited about that I've kind of been doing at home, just DIY because, well, you know, we're not going too many places, but I've been doing a lot of tie-dye. And recently I did 2 beach cover-ups that I'm really excited about. And I walk you through the whole process. I want to show you, how you tie-dye and what I used. Yeah, so just been something fun I've been doing. I wanted to share it with you guys. So first and foremost, I tie-dyed 2 beach cover-ups. One was from Boohoo and one was from Amazon. They're both linked down below if you do want to replicate what I did with your own colors, your own styles. But that's where I found the 2 different cover-ups that I use in this video. The first one was like a tassel, just a little beach cover-up. It only covers the top, like a tank top. And then the second one was a full beach cover-up dress. You can literally wear it kind of as a sundress for the day with your bathing suit underneath. And I thought, you know what, instead of just keeping them plain white, let's add some color in there. So that's what I did. A couple other things that I've been tie-dyeing lately, and if you want videos on that too, I can do that as well. But I've been tie-dyeing a lot of socks. Thank you, Nicole Guerrero, for showing the way. And you can see it on my TikTok. I will link my TikTok right here. I did a fun little video of tie-dyeing like some Nike socks and a sports bra. So this was a pair of the socks I did, just like in a navy blue. And then here's another pair, and these were kind of like a sunshine orangey pink. And then those socks I matched and did a Calvin Klein bra that I got right off of Amazon. Look how cute. It's something fun to wear as a little pop of color underneath, like a black track tank top, but I thought that was so adorable. So yeah, it's just been giving me something to do. I can do it right in my backyard, just sit on my little picnic table and tie-dye. Makes the time go by, and you kind of feel proud of it. It's something that you made for yourself. You got to pick your own colors. It helps express your style. So I love it. I absolutely love it. What I use to tie-dye with, I got this from my local Joann Fabrics. If you're not comfortable going into stores right now, they did offer curbside pickup for me, or you can order it online. Again, I'll have that linked for you down below. But this was the One-Step Tie-Dye Kit Tie-Dye Party. 123 pieces in here. So you get everything. You get the plastic in there that you need, rubber bands, and a ton of different colors. I mean, I don't know if you can see through the bottom there that well, but there's greens, blues, purples, peach, like a papaya mango color, orange, black, brown, navy blue, teal, greens. For the fringe cover up, I wanted to use like reds, oranges, and then like some deep royal purple in there. And then a pop of yellow. And then for the full cover-up, I thought more like mermaid, lagoon, blues, greens. So that's how I came up with those 2 colors. Again, whatever colors go with your style, that's great. So yeah, I just thought it was something fun to do. All the prices are listed down below as well, like anything you need. And you know what else? If you have created tie-dye or something fun tie-dye, tag me in it on your Instagram, or let me know down below what you've made, because I'm happy to keep tie-dyeing stuff. If it's a sweatshirt, shorts, cute little set, whatever. Like, it's just something to do. It's something to express yourself. I feel like it's a very lazy, lackadaisical summer anyway, so wearing tie-dye all the time is kind of perfect. The garments that I chose are kind of more of that elastane, like jersey material, so you have to make sure you get them really wet. And a note for this one, at the end, I did have them sit for longer than 24 hours. Usually they only ask you to sit for like a day before you rinse them out and put them in the washing machine. I let mine sit for like 2.5 days because I really wanted to make sure that the dye was sitting correctly into the fabric, because I didn't want it all to rinse and wash away. Yeah, so just make sure you really soak them in the sink, wring them out well before you go into prepping and binding and tying everything the way that you want to, and then dyeing. So enjoy, and I hope you guys tag me in everything that you've done, and thank you guys so much for watching.